once again, after you have looked at the information and how easy it is to find terms in a geometric sequence, which we're now multiplying and dividing them, we just go ahead and find that. So once again, take two numbers side by side. So negative 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. 12 divided by negative 6 is equal to negative 2. This should be negative 2 as well. So the common ratio is equal to negative 2. So to find the sixth term, we got 3 times negative 2 is negative 6 times negative 2 is 12 times negative 2 is negative 24 times negative 2 is 48 times negative 2 is negative 96, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My sixth term is negative term. 6 is equal to negative 96. Once again, same thing down below. We take the next two terms, and it's going to be 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. 80 divided by 20 is equal to 4. So the common ratio which is R, is equal to 4. They want to find 7 terms, so we have 5 times 4 is 20, times 4 is 80, times 4 is 320, times 4 is 1,280, times 4 is 5,120, times 4 is 20,480 is my term 6. So term 7 is equal to 20,480. Once again, sometimes they have sometimes they have terms missing and they want you to find that. So after reading this, trying it, if you still don't understand, then let me help you. So I have a number times a number times that same number times that same number, that'll equal this number. Alright, so 6,250 is equal to 10 times that common ratio, and they can multiply by 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So it's to the power of 4. I want to get the R by itself, so I divide this side by 10. What I do to one side, I must do the other side. So 6,250 is equal to R to the power of 4. To get rid of this, I then root it, 4 root R. And what I do to one side, I must do to the other side. And R is equal to 5, which you would do on your calculator. Your calculator do all that stuff for you. So R is equal to 5. So 10 times 5 is 50, times 5 is 250, times 5 is 1,250, times 5 is 6,250. So there's my missing numbers. Same thing here. I'm going now. Here they're going this way, but I rather go up, because when you go up, so when I went from 10 to 6,250, I multiplied. So I want to go from 1, and you can do this, and I'm going to go backwards, but I'm still going to go up. So 160 is equal to 1 times R, and R multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4. So divide this side by 1, that side by 1. So 160 is equal to R to the power of 4. Once again, I'm going to 4 root 160, and R, I'm going to R root 4 root R to get 1R. So this equals to be 3.556558 is equal to R. So 1 times 3.565582 is equal to 3.5565582 times 3.55, and I get 12.64911069 times 3.5565582, and I get 44.98730601 times 3.5585565582, and I get 160. And then I multiply that by 3.5565582, and I come up with 569.049941112. All right, I did this all in my head for you guys. If you don't believe me, then try calculator. It's amazing. Okay, just read part C, and then you're good to go on to your lesson for 1.4.